Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope everybody's heard about the first AI software engineer named Devin, the CEO of Cognition AI himself. He provided a specific demo, and right now it is available on Twitter and some other social media platforms. But just by seeing the demo, definitely, the AI is able to do all the tasks that are specifically required by a software engineering software. Engineer guys, right? Whenever we develop a product and many more things, from documentation to development. So first of all, let's go ahead and probably see the entire demo of this specific video, that how Devin is able to act as a software engineer and perform all the tasks out there. And then we will try to see how the future of software engineering looks like after seeing this specific video. So let's go ahead and see the video.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of LAMA on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement, reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
So guys, great! I hope everybody has seen this specific demo video of Devin AI. From what I see, with respect to all the tasks, the kind of tasks that are probably given to Devin was to compare LAMA to model from various APIs, right? And probably check the performance and speed. Now what it has done is that it is being able to browse. It is being able to see the errors and probably fix those kinds of errors with respect to the ID. That itself also has an ID. So it has actually provided a complete integrated environment. Whatever things are specifically required for software engineering, from API testing to deployment, everything was available over there. And why that specific interaction? It was able to do a fabulous task. And when I say with respect to time, I hope the time was also very much faster when compared to normal software engineering. Now this kind of task, obviously, if I probably see with respect to efforts, there will be some efforts that will be required by a human being. But with respect to difficulty, what I feel is that the difficulty is still less, So, in the future, I don't know, if we really have a very difficult problem statement to probably work in the software engineering, how we may be working, how this specific tool will be working. After this tool probably comes out, we will be able to check it out, So obviously, to really want to check out this particular tool, as I said, you can also go ahead in their website and probably request for those particular access. And then you can also try it from your side. Now again, the future of AI, AGI, right now you seeing a software engineer, right? An AI software engineer which may probably replace many other people, Because with respect to software engineering also, right? There are many people who are involved in developing bigger products, right? There will be a team of 20, 30 people based on the type of product that you are specifically working on, and there are a lot of tasks. And just by seeing this entire environment which is integrated all together with each and every one, you have a command prompt access, you have a deployment access, you probably have all the cloud access, you have the browser access, and automatically the AI is able to do it. Right now this looks, yes, they are able to do the specific task. But again, when a very hard task is probably given, I don't know how they are going to perform. But yes, this looks a little bit dangerous, what I see. but I still feel that we human beings can do much more better. Yes, we may take some time to probably develop a good product, for thinking purpose, for documentation purpose, and many more things. And I don't think so. Still, AI, probably AI software engineer, can replace a normal software engineer, unless and until, that kind of task is quickly be done by itself. But still I don't know. A lot of statements will probably come over here, and many people will think that AI jobs may go. There are chances, but this looks really a little bit dangerous. This kind of stuff, where you are able to see all these things in front of your eyes. But again, don't know what will happen in the future. So let me know what are your points of view with respect to this. But I still feel I have that confidence to human side when compared to AI. But yes, when this tool will probably roll out in the market, definitely we will be able to compare it a lot, so I hope you like this particular video. On this was it for my side, and yes, as I said always, my stand will be more toward the human side when compared to the AI. Yes, AI is good enough to probably do your task much more faster, but I feel should not replace human beings, so yes, this was it for my side. Thank you, and I'll take care. Bye-bye.